Hi, today I wanted to quickly demonstrate how a custom modular works in xcart5. So I have created a modular in xcart modular with my ID and call it China Beast, and I have already refreshed the cache, and I can see my modular here in xcart5 under extensions installed modules, and now I want to, for example, add a custom line here in footer in admin section. So I'm kind of overriding the admin main TPL. So I'm saving changes. Oops, I've already saved it, and I also add a custom CSS file for just a demo purposes, changing the background on front end. So now let me so here is the result, and let me disable and then enable this modular just to show how long it takes when the cache gets refreshed. So I'm disabling my modification now, and we have to wait until it runs through the steps 1 to 11. Currently it deploys the story on the shared hosting, but the timing is the same as on my MacBook Pro. So if you want to save time, thinking that you will cut time when working offline on your local host, it could be still an issue, because it still works the same time on MacBook Pro, for example. So we are disabling my modular, and we are just waiting for the story to be deployed without the modular. And we can't access the front end because its status is under maintenance while the templates are being deployed. Okay, another 20 seconds and I think we should be done. Okay, so now we see that our modular should be disabled, and we have no custom line here in footer, and we have the default view of the front end. So what we did, we added a line here with custom label, and we need to include our style CSS with just a simple background code, CSS code for into the front end. So let's go back and enable this modular and see how long it takes. Okay, it does again run through the steps 1 to 11. The xcart5 now rebuilds the structure, And now it makes it to include our modular files like style, CSS, and custom skin folder with its files. That's why it takes so long, and after it's rebuilt we can make changes and see them refreshed live. So it's not each time we need to refresh cache when after our template folders are included. Let me quickly demonstrate it and we will see if it really works, just like I said a second ago. Okay, we should see a custom label and footer here. Okay, our model is enabled. Scroll down to footer. We have this line now. And what about front end? The background should be changed. Yeah. So now, just like I said, when we have deployed the store and the store knows about our custom skins folder, we should be able to make changes on the fly. So let's, for example, add a new character here. Xcart customize 2016, something like this. Save changes, and when we go to administrator panel, let's just refresh it. Oops, we don't see this change despite we have made it here. This means that we have to refresh the cache again. Hold on a second. Yeah, we have to refresh the templates and redeploy the store. Let's wait again until the steps 1 to 11 are being run, and hopefully once it's refreshed our change will be enabled. Again, the front end not working when the cache is being refreshed. Just one more step to go. Yes, it takes time. It's quite unexpected because I was hoping that each change in template will not require redeploying the store. So now we can see that the year has come here, but we have achieved it only after redeploying our store. That's what I wanted to highlight today. Using xcart5 with cache rebuild might be time demanding for a developer to integrate a modeler or a new skin.